Health tip of the week.
Have you been wondering what causes snoring? During sleep, the muscles in the roof of your mouth, that is the soft palate, tongue and thorax, relax. The tissues in your throat can relax enough that they partially block your airway and vibrate. It increases tissue vibration, which causes your snoring to grow louder. Factors that encourage snoring include anatomy in the mouth and sinuses, allergies, colds or flu, enlarged tonsils, body weight, and lying down facing up. Almost everyone snores, but for some people it could be a sign of a problem. Ecclesiastes 5:12 says, "The sleep of a laboring man is sweet, whether he eat little or much."
That was the health tip of the week, brought to you by the First Aid and Physical Wellness Ministry of CITAM Eldoret.